Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm really pleased today to be showing you this summer stamping design, this leaf design. I've finally got my stamping down, practiced and finally I understand how to do it, so I'm really pleased with that. So I'm just going to show you how I did this design. Firstly, I put primer on all of my nails because I'm being really lazy this time. I didn't want to redo all my gel, so I just left a really thin coat on, and I've just put the primer on so I can then add this rubber base coat from Canny. I'm just going to put that over the top, and then my nails are just going to be really thin and natural looking, and obviously I'm stamping over the top so you won't really see underneath. But after that rubber base coat has gone on, then I will put some gel colours on, and everything will be linked in the description below. So I'm using a Lilac gel polish from Venalisa that I've swatched in one of my other videos. That will go onto 3 fingers and the thumb, and then on my ring finger I'm going to be using the white Venalisa gel polish. Now I have done a review on the Venalisa gel polishes and they are quite opaque, so you don't really need 2 coats, but as I was stamping and I wanted it to look just right, I made sure that I put 2 coats on. So after all the nails have got 2 coats of gel polish on, I go in with no white top coat. I'm just using this so that I can stamp over the top of it, and if I make a mistake with my stamping I can just wipe it off. Okay, so now that top coat is cured, it's time to get on with the stamping, and I did do a swatch of it when I was playing around with the stampers, see what design I wanted, and this is the one that I've chosen. I'm going to have this on all of my fingers apart from the ring fingers that are going to be white. But this is the plate that I'm using. It's L047, a Born Pretty plate. And so I'm using this clear jelly stamper as well, the original clear jelly stamper. And the polishes I'm using is this neon pink from W7. It's just a cheap polish. I didn't realise you could stamp with it, but it is really good. It only costs about £1. So that's amazing. And then the next colour I've got is like a lilac purple colour. And that is from LA Colours, Colour Craze, and that also stamps really well. It's not particularly pigmented, but for this design it works really well. So I'm just going to use like a striping technique so that I can get a sort of gradient look, if that's what you call it, I'm not sure, but it looks amazing and it stamps really, really well. So onto that nail, and look at that. I was in love with this on the pop stick, but when you put it on your nails it's even more amazing. So then I just need to do the same on the white one. But I'm just going to do the colours in the opposite way. So I'm going to put the purple on first and then the pink. And so it's a little bit different on that white nail. I honestly can't tell you how pleased I am that I've finally got this stamping down. The problem that I was having was that I was pressing down on the stamper a bit too hard. And I watched a video, I can't remember whose video it was now, but someone was saying that you need to just press really, really lightly, as lightly as you can. And it really does work. I thought there was no way it was going to pick up unless I put a little bit of pressure on. But you don't need to. And look at that over the white. It's just gorgeous. And so there are all the fingers stamped now. And I did use some liquid latex over the other fingers, which is a really good idea for clean up. So I just need to peel that off. And these are the finished nails without any top coat on, so they do look really good, but I'm just going to put some top coat on just to seal all that in. here are the finished nails. I hope you like them as much as I do. I'm definitely going to be doing more stamping in the future. I'd like to do some designs with, I think, holographic powder underneath and things like that. I have got some holographic nail polish coming from Beauty Big Bangs that I'm going to be reviewing, but I'm still waiting for it. So I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. There's some other videos coming up that you might not have seen. And thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.